Hey guys, my name is Jackie, and I stumbled across the Beaver Bunch not too long ago, so I decided that I should definitely respond with a video. I'm using a camera, so it's a little awkward, but it's all good. So AJ apparently wants to know what's in our fridge. Well, I moved into this apartment about 2 weeks ago, and I really haven't had time to go out and buy food, been busy working. So I'll show you what's in the fridge, but it's not mine. So uh, there could be some pretty gross stuff, I'm not sure. But let's find out what's in the fridge. Excuse the mess in the apartment. That again is not my fault. I've been working, too busy to make a mess. So, we have salsa and apparently pepperoni, that's Erica's, tea, sour cream, fat-free milk, because college kids can't gain weight. Oh, and December 11th, but that's ironic because it's not December 11th anymore, so this is bad. And that pasta has been in there since about 2 weeks ago. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tubs of butter, cause can't ever have too much butter. Again, Erica Lee's yogurt, and some really gross concoction of funky stuff. Don't know how long that's been in there, probably a month. Eggs, those are kinda new. More butter, more eggs, lots and lots of eggs. More milk, let me guess, oh, fat free, yep. Oh, here we go, what is this? This is, can't tell, there's obviously a loaf of bread and some, like, noodles. It looks really gross, I don't know how long it's been in there. Water, what else? Bacon and cheese, cause, you know, I would totally lay raw bacon on cheese. You know, come on culinary kids, get it together. And more cheese. See, why can't all the cheese be in one drawer? Silly culinary kids. And then of course, like every condiment humanly made possible. So that's what's in our fridge.